All right, guys, I wanted to go through how to navigate MyFitnessPal. First thing I want you to do is go to the bottom right tab where it says More. Click on that. I want you to scroll down to the Steps tab, and then you're probably connected to your iPhone here, right? I want you to go down and click Don't Track Steps. This way it will not input any additional calories that you burn throughout the day or through the workouts. The reason we do that is because it's adding more calories into your day. You don't actually get those, okay? When it does the calculations, or I do the calculations for you as far as how many calories you have per day, that takes into account your movement and your exercise. Any additional calories that the app provides you is going to put you in a surplus. And if you're trying to lose weight, that's just going to be frustrating to you. All right, so let's go into log food. I'll move it to a new day. All right, so you're going to add food where it says breakfast. We'll add food in here, and then you can go up to the search tab and you can actually put in what you ate for the day. So we'll search eggs. And then we'll have large eggs or jumbo eggs. Make sure that you look at what you have specifically. We'll click on large eggs. I had, say, 4 large eggs. Right there you have 25 grams of protein, 19 grams of fats, and 1.4 grams of carbs. Hit the check mark at the top right. Then that's been added into your day. It's also been reduced from your total. All right, we're going to do this for each item of food or drink that we consume throughout the day. So as you go through, make sure that you're adding everything in here in the add food section. Now they do have a barcode. That is a paid feature now. I don't want you guys using any paid features. I want this all to be free. We can do it without paying for it. All right, so this is basically how you will navigate through your day. You will continue to add in, and I would just use the search box and then type in whatever food that you had, so chicken breast or chicken thigh, and then we're going to weigh it. So if I had 5 ounces, I'm going to put 5 servings down there. 1 ounce is the serving size, and then I'm going to hit the check mark. And again, that'll show up there, and it will go ahead and reduce my total calories. All right. I don't want you guys necessarily concerned about total calories right now until I give you those specifically. But this is how you're going to track your food in this app, and then you will provide me with your week's worth of food tracking, and I will give you feedback on that to refine your nutrition specifically.